Alpha brain frequency. In order for the brain to fall asleep, it needs to be calm and relaxed. In more technical terms, the brain frequency needs to be lower. That is to say between 1 to 5 cycles per second, which is called theta frequency. No one can presume that the brain is capable to be asleep while the person is very intense and engaged in high activity. That is to say when the brain frequency is at its highest level, which is between 10 to 20 cycles per second. This is called beta frequency. What interests us here is how to reach the state when the brain is more relaxed and creative. That is to say when its frequency is between 5 to 10 cycles per second, which is called alpha brain frequency. So, is it possible to control the brain frequencies consciously, or does it happen by its own spontaneously and we just have to sit and wait for the brain to lower its frequency so that we can be calm, relaxed and regain our senses and intelligence to resume the daily tasks and activities? Let's discuss, question and investigate what changes happen to the body during these frequencies. Can it be a serious matter or it's just a temporary passing through state of mind? Is there a technique and method to help the person remains in the alpha brain frequency and enjoy being calm, relaxed, and creative? Finally, does the interference of communication networks and electronic equipments has any effect on the function of the brain and more precisely on its frequencies? As a matter of fact, the exposure to such high-tension frequency equipments can be fatal. This is beyond both humans and animals' tolerance. Anyone can notice that certain animals which relays on distant communication, such as sea whales and bees, have been badly affected. Their social interactions and communication have been disturbed and interrupted by the interference between these high-frequency networks. They can't locate food, they can't transmit signals to their groups, and they can't even find their way back home. As per humans, we need to always keep this notion in mind as an important factor for mental and emotional disturbance and distress. So, is this the price we have to pay for benefiting from modern technology? How long can humans resist such high networks pressure and tension? The answer to this issue is in fact more technical, and the solution is related to tech industry to take responsibility and reduce the electrical noises. On the other hand, as ordinary people, we need to be more aware and conscious of this factor and to take it into consideration while interacting with other people to be more tolerant and comprehensive. As a summary, let's recapitulate what we have questioned, discussed, and investigated. The human brain goes through 3 main stages which can be measured in terms of frequency. 1 state of deep sleep, between 1 to 5 cycles per second. This is called theta frequency. 2 state of mindfulness, intelligence, presence, and awareness, between 5 to 10 cycles per second. This is called alpha frequency. 3 state of hypertension, stress, and anxiety, between 10 to 20 cycles per second, which is called beta. It is possible to lower the brain frequency to alpha state consciously. There are many techniques and methods which anyone can learn how to master it and how to remain in that state as long as possible. Creativity, inspiration, intelligence, and innovation happens only once the person is focused, concentrated, relaxed, and calm. In more technical terms, when his or her brain is at alpha brain frequency. For example, when a person is taking a shower, when a person is having a peaceful moment with him or herself, and when a person is feeling secure, free from all kind of stress and anxiety, he or she can remember, think, and be more productive. Can appreciate what he has. Can enjoy the life he is given. Knowing these informations, would you have the courage, the strength, and the wealth to keep away from all sorts of things or persons which contribute to raise brain frequency and crashes everything else in your life that follows, such as your health, well-being and peaceful of mind. Finally, as highlighted earlier, there are many other factors which can also play an important role in sharpening one's person thoughts, feelings, emotions, and ideas. We need to consider all the options without any division, conflicts, distortions, and prejudice. Mindfulness, consciousness, awareness, and presence can be important tools to guide the person through the mysteries of life and to help him or her to navigate the self-thought time. If you are now awakened, wish you good morning and have great day ahead. Please enjoy and share. Thank you.